I lace the boots up, it's straight to the door, cause this is worth fighting for. I get my head right, the heart's gotta follow. Whisper a prayer like they're...
Welcome to NGU Fitness. I'm Joe. Today I'm going to do a review on Doublewood Adrafinil. There we go. Hopefully you'll pick it up. If not, I'll post a picture up in there. So what Adrafinil is, it is the kind of like the byproduct or non-prescription version of modafinil. So what Adrafinil does is it promotes, what it really does, it actually converts your body, and what it does, it actually creates this daytime wakefulness, alertness. The key in doing this or in taking Adrafinil, start out at 300 milligrams. You want to start off at that dose and kind of gauge your way up. The most researched dose I've seen people doing is around 600 milligrams. I haven't got the 600 milligrams yet. 300 milligrams gives you that clarity, that mental focus, really just that real calm but yet not jittery type of focus. It's not like even like an energy. It's kind of dials you in so that you actually can really just focus on whatever the objective is at hand. Another thing that Adrafinil does is that it enhances focus and concentration. So for those that are maybe students or people at work that have a hard time with focusing or paying attention to detail, Adrafinil is a great supplement. And I say supplement because, you know, a regular food plan and diet, whatever you want to call it, that's key to the success of anything that you do. So this is a great supplement. It's by Doublewood, Adrafinil, great nootropic. I've been taking nootropics now probably for almost 2 to 3 years, maybe even more. Came across, I was looking for something a little stronger than the Ractums out there. So then I came across Adrafinil. I was just really blown away by the different reports of what people were suggesting, the feeling that they got while they were on it. No crash, no jitters, just clean focus. I haven't got this, but I noticed on some written reviews how it talked about a tunnel vision. I've yet to experience that, but you can't go wrong. Adrafinil is one of the purest, high quality, high end Adrafinils out there on the market. Like I said, when you purchase these kind of things, you really have to do your research on them. When it comes to nootropics, since like most supplements, they're not regulated by the federal government, you have to make sure that you're getting exactly what you're paying for. Adrafinil has a very subtle alertness to it. It's not like it's going to hit you right away and feel overwhelming. It actually gives you a sense of a gradual, more in tune with what's going on around you, and then everything comes in kind of that focus and concentration. That's what I've noticed the most. Now I've been taking this probably for a good 2 to 3 weeks. I am going to bump it up to 600 milligrams. I may do a mini review on that, on the 600 milligram dose. But again, great product. Doublewood Supplements has several products out there, nootropics. Give them a try. Great product. In no way, shape, or form am I affiliated with Doublewood. Just really like their products, like what they stand for, and the quality and pureness of their ingredients, the raw ingredients. All right, thank you, and as always, never give up.